everything without offending. So now my mouth is in the jailhouse with cases pending. First Amendment, you replaced it, rigged it, dumbed it down. It's not an option. Some of it I understand.
SMT Nation, we back. We're doing the Verizon testing. Verizon 5G home internet. Got ourselves our gateway. It is 6:30 in the PM. I wanted to give you guys an evening test. We're going to keep all the parameters the same. This is exactly the setup we've had for all the videos in the series. Testing at 6 in the morning, 9 in the morning, noon, 3 p.m., 6 p.m. We're going to do 9 p.m. and then midnight. So all things the same phones, the same setup, same connections, everything. All right, so we got the Google Pixel 7. We have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy S22. All of them are on the Verizon Home Internet connection. You guys will see it pictured on each one with a check mark indicating the connection. So we are golden. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the ookla speed testing, and then we're also going to be doing some testing, some multi-device testing on ookla. So we're going to start here with the Google Pixel 7, and then we're also going to test 4K video playback on the connection. So the benchmark and the baseline is Verizon will give you up to 300 megabits per second downlink and 20 megabits per second uplink if you're connected to N77. So the key there is up to. So you might see a little bit less, you know, sometimes it surges, gives you a little bit more. All right, but that's how it works. I typically see those speeds, you know, throughout the day. I don't really see much variation. And I'm just documenting all this as my usage through the month goes on. All right, so the Pixel is done. We'll go ahead and start the iPhone. Okay, so that's going, I think. Cool, all right. All right, for the Pixel 7, 251 downlink, 14 uplink, 38 ping, 8 millisecond jitter, a 786 download loaded ping, and an 894 millisecond load ping on the uplink. All right, so that's pretty good. iPhone looks pretty consistent to the Pixel. Notoriously less uplink. I don't know why. And sometimes less downlink too. It's just random. But anyways. All right, so that's done. Let's go ahead and do the Galaxy also while we wait. We'll do this. Okay, so the iPhone was 254 down and 13 up. 34 ping, 2 jitter. A download loaded ping of 925 and a upload ping of 899. And we got a little bit of variability on the Galaxy, a little bit faster on the downlink here. Okay, so we got a 32 ping, 258 on the download loaded ping. The upload loaded ping is way higher. Wow, it's like 2,500. All right, 4 jitter, we got 315 down and 15 up. So I think in my estimation, we're doing pretty good here. We're basically getting what we wanted. It's pretty close, give or take. We're ranging between 250 and 315. Let's go ahead and do a multi-device test. We're going to do the Pixel and then the iPhone, and we'll see how the kind of that double duty stress test is between an Android and an iPhone. Let's see if we got any variation in the ping times. All right, so a 38 ping on the Pixel, sharing bandwidth a little bit there. And we got a 29 ping on the iPhone. The iPhone finished first. No, the Pixel finished first for downlink. All right, so 106 down, and it looks like about 3 to 4 megabits up. It's a little skimpy, right, pulling off of this here. 182 down on the iPhone and about 10 up, right? So really what I'm kind of seeing here, guys, as we kind of do the testing on all these different segments, the uplink is the limiting factor. That's the hard part. You know, the downlink seems to be plenty good. No major issues there. But it's really the uplink. So more spectrum required, in my estimation. Better technology, MIMO, you know, you need better spectral efficiency. Those types of things will help that uplink quite a bit, which is probably going to come in the next generation of software and hardware when it comes to 5G. So hopefully that improves very soon. All right, so we got 252 down on the iPhone, and we got 5 or 6 on the up, while the Galaxy is going at 113 down and just a few megabits up here 4, 5, 6 megabits, maybe 7, 8. Okay, we creeped up a little bit because the test finished on the iPhone. Yeah, the uplink is the limiting factor. Absolutely. Let's go ahead and do a fast.com. I think that's a good idea. We'll see how the fast.com Netflix servers does on this. I'm not sure if I've been remembering to do that, but we'll test the fast.com. And then we'll do the same thing for the iPhone too. And we'll do the same on the Galaxy. And then we can do like the multi-device here. Alright, so 290 down on the fast.com downlink. Alright, let's go ahead and run the iPhone. Okay, so 290 down on the Pixel 7. What is happening here? All I see is Dynamic Island. Okay, wheelie spinning. Okay. Took forever to get started for, I don't know why, whatever reason. Okay, this app is, something's wrong. Okay, finally started. Let's see if it's having issues, because the Pixel seemed fine. Got 290 down. This one's being funny. Okay, we finally got a little bit of throughput. Not bad. We're in the 300s. Got a little surge. Now we're back to the 200s. In my experience, fast.com's just crazy swings. All types of madness. Alright, so 290 on the Pixel 7, 220 on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here is the Samsung Galaxy. This app, same kind of problem, I suppose. What the heck was that? Let's see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and set up the videos for YouTube. We're going to run a 4K joint. I'm going to find one of my videos, actually. This thing rolling? Okay, it is rolling. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll play one of my videos so we don't get in any type of copyright trouble. Can't copyright myself, right? Alright, we're going to do that. And I just got to make sure that we're going to be in 4K. Okay, so we ended up with 190 megabits per second on that. Alright, folks, we're running them all at the same time. Same video. We're going to set them all into 4K. You guys will see that I'm adjusting the resolution playback 2160 for all of them. Even though I'm not even sure how many of these phones actually have 2160. We're going to put the network pull to it. Let's do it 2160. Alright, and let's see if we get spinny wheel of death here. Alright, we saw the Galaxy did it as it was kind of switching and adjusting. But I do see continuous playback. Shout out to the Project Genesis videos on the SMT YouTube channel. Give this video a like if you enjoy that type of testing and you want to see more of it. Alright, we are golden. I don't see any buffering. Seems to be playing back just fine. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to kick up the speed. And let's see if it can keep up. Playback speed, we're going to put on 2x. Make it work. Twice as hard. Let's see. I should really push it to the limit here. Playback speed, 2x. Alright, so we're on 4K on all three devices. And we put it to 2x for speed. So it's got to work harder to work ahead to prevent any kind of buffering. I don't see anything yet. And if you look closely, you'll see it working ahead. Right here. You guys see that thing, that meter? This one's working ahead too. You see that little bit of white space? They're working ahead just fine. No trouble. 3 simultaneous 4K streams on, 2160 and doing it at 2x. No problem whatsoever. Cake. Verizon Home Internet's been good. So now you guys got your 6 p.m., your dinner time testing. No issues whatsoever. Full modernization on this tower site, N77, the C-band, 60 megahertz channel. We got CBRS on that site, full LTE modernization. It's a great site. And we're in the lower level, folks, of the SMT HQ, and this is just been a tremendous connection. I think for most people, this indicates they could have confidence with their 4K TV, multiple streams. Shouldn't have any issues with these types of use cases. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of the testing. and what you think of the performance and what else you want to see from SMT videos. I'm going to do the 9 p.m. next, and then the midnight, and then that should pretty much wrap up all the testing for the speed testing and the stress testing from Verizon 5G Home Internet. Thanks for watching. Comment down below all your thoughts on this experience. Big shout out to my YouTube members and my patrons for supporting me on those platforms and making content on this channel possible. Y'all are the goats. Thanks again for watching. We shall see you soon on the next video. Peace.